Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the project overview of the residential project L&T The Gateway by L&T Realty located in Shivri. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can also have a look at the towers where the construction is in full swing. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. You can see the Worli Shivri connector is right opposite to the project, which is under construction. Also, the road towards the left leads you to South Bombay. And from the right, you can go to Wadala railway station. In this video, we will be talking about points like overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 2.2 acres that will have 2 towers. Talking about the elevation, this project has ground plus 6 level of podium as you can see in the model. This is the ground. Retail, 6 level of podium. Also here you have amenities on the 7th floor. And talking about the elevation, over here you can have a look at the elevation. You can see the 2 towers that is of ground plus 52 residential floors that will have 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK residences. Now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Arik Idwai Marg, Shivri, from where you can see you have Worli Shivri connector right opposite to the project. Also, Atal Setu is only at a distance of 100 meters from the project. Also, you have CST Fort at a distance of 25 minutes from the project. And BKC is also at a distance of 25 minutes from the project. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities which are on the podium level and the rooftop level. First, let's have a look at the podium level amenities that will include a swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose court, restaurants and cabanas, yoga zone and many more amenities. Also, the USP of the project is that it has a 40,000 square feet glass paneled clubhouse that will include many amenities like gym, banquet hall and many more amenities. Also, you will have beautiful 360 view from the clubhouse. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4.5 BHK residences in the carpet areas of 3 BHK of 1262 square feet, 3.5 BHK of 1444 square feet, 4 BHK Optima in 1788 square feet, 4 BHK in 1980 square feet and 4.5 BHK in 2252 square feet. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential project L&T The Gateway by L&T Realty located in Shivri.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.